Don't, but maybe you get another shot at it, huh? Yeah, I think so. Well, this is great. I can't wait. Did you guys get a cookie for the trip?
Yes.
You did? Awesome. Great. He baked those last night. Yeah. He's getting rid of slow zones and he's baking cookies. You do have a balloon. I love this. What's this?
Like a sword.
Oh, really?
All right, everyone, welcome to the 2025 North Pole Express. I promise you this program won't be long, but if you can, give us your attention. My name is Kwani Lunis. I'm the host of a show called The Hub Today on NBC 10 Boston, and I'm so honored to welcome you to this very special South Station event where you are all gonna head to the magical North Pole a little bit later. I'd also like to welcome a very special guest that's here with us, Governor Maura Healey, who you'll hear from in just a second. But this is my second time being a part of this event. Every year, thousands of families come to South Station with the opportunity to get on the train to the North Pole. There are gonna be some people on the train reading books to you, and it's gonna be a phenomenal event. But before we do that, there are a lot of people that helped to make this event possible. And we also wanna thank the incredible team at Keolis, along with their partners, the readers that are gonna be on the train with you all today, and of course, all the volunteers that you see around South Station this afternoon. So first, we're gonna start with hearing from a leader who has helped drive Keolis forward and has been a champion of their mission of serving the community of Massachusetts. So let's welcome to the stage the CEO of Keolis, John Killeen.
Hello, it's that time of year again, so welcome to the North Pole Express. As the operating partner for the MBTA commuter rail, Keolis delivers millions of trips every year, but this is certainly my favorite. I'd like to thank you all for coming today, bringing your families, and for participating in this annual tradition with us. We are excited to take you on this trip all the way to the North Pole to see Santa and his friends. And on behalf of everyone at Keolis, we appreciate the opportunity to share the holiday spirit with you. I'd like to take a moment to thank my colleagues at Keolis for all the hard work in making this event come to life, especially Calvin Mahoney, who led the event planning. Now we have some special guests with us today, and I'd like to acknowledge them. Thank you, Governor Maura Healey, MassDOT Secretary and MBTA General Manager Phil Eng, MBTA Board Directors Tom McGee, Chandra Smart, and Peter Katujan. Representative Worrell, District Attorney Anthony Hayden, City Councillors Pepin, Santana, and Worrell, and community leaders and neighbours. Thank you for being here today. And thanks to all my colleagues at the MBTA and Keolis for making our trip to the North Pole possible. Now I'd like to introduce a very special guest, and we are thrilled that she is going to join us on the train today, Governor Healey.
I haven't been to the North Pole before, so I'm pretty excited. And really grateful to John, Kwani, Phil Eng, the team at Keolis, the team at the MBTA, the conductors, the engineers, the entire team. I know you guys have been busy, hard at work, working, as I understand it, with Santa's reindeer to make a really magical journey this year to the North Pole. And all the kids out there, you guys are awesome. Welcome to South Station, you know? To all of our fellow electeds, thank you for everything you do every day. To some of our champions of transit, I know we have Mackay and Perry here today. Yeah, shout out there. And to Santa and Mrs. Claus, we really, I know it's a super busy time of year, so thank you for making the time to be here today. So we're gonna go in just a few minutes on a super special journey, a magical journey There'll be lights, there'll be stories, there's been cookies and balloons and face painting, and so all the magic is going to continue in just a moment as we get ready to climb on board. And in keeping with the way we do transit these days, the train to the North Pole is on time, ahead of schedule. So thank you too to all the grown-ups who make so many contributions. A lot of children's organizations here today. God bless you guys. Thank you for all that you do. I want to wish everybody a very, very happy holiday season, a Merry Christmas, and blessings to all of you, the kids, and your families. Thank you so much, and a huge thanks to Phil and the team and the Keolis team as well for making today possible.
I've got the greatest gift 365 days a year from the governor and from all of you. I get the gift to be able to serve the Commonwealth, to be able to, as John Clean said, deliver millions and millions of trips, not only on the commuter rail, but across the whole MBTA system. And now I get the gift of being able to serve the highway, roads, aeronautics, so much more. But today is about us giving back. Today is about us adding that one extra special trip to be able to take all of you, your friends, your families, your loved ones to the North Pole. As the governor says, we're going to get you there safe, we're going to get you there on time, and we're going to be able to get everyone home as well. There's nothing better than to be able to celebrate the holiday season and to be able to just take a moment, relax, and enjoy everything that it comes with it. I do want to just introduce one person who's been key. Sir Topham Hatt, aka Ryan Cahola, my Chief Operating Officer. Without him and the whole team at the MBTA and our partners at Keolis, none of this would be possible. Again, I'm blessed with the greatest governor there is, and let's just keep going. Let's get to the North Pole. I want to wish everyone a safe, a healthy, a happy holiday season, and I just want to say again, thank you very much for allowing me to be part of everything that Massachusetts has to offer. Thank you very much. Happy holidays.
You guys ready? All right. All the